Today I'm going to discuss how to move a fallen tree with a 4-in-1 bucket on a front end loader on a small tractor. We've had a tree fall across the road, and so it's got to be moved. Now the first thing I had to do was just cut the tree down a little bit so that it would fit when I was driving down the road, and also cut off any branches that might interfere with the 4-in-1 bucket gripping the log on the ground. So let's get on with it. I'll just show you the situation. If you found this useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And if you have any comments or questions, we'd love to hear from you, so just scroll right down to the bottom and you'll find the comments section there. Thank you very much for watching.